Hi, remember me? So I'm in LA now, and as you can see, it's messy. But I wanted to make a first video for you guys, and I thought the Titan, which we've actually had in the house in Santa Cruz for over a year, would be a great one to start. But apparently, the Titan comes without a 6-volt battery pack for the servos, and maybe it came with it, but we've had it for like a year.
So you want to tell us what you're doing?
I'm looking for the right connector so I can make my own 6-volt battery, and maybe I should just drive it with a plain radio and do what Ryan was telling me to do. Welcome to Hollywood. Yeah. Alright, so I figured it out. Turns out I'm running a 3S battery with a plain ESC, with a plain receiver, so I can run my servos. The mix is gonna be, it's a 2-stroke engine, so we have to mix the gas and the oil together, and it's gonna be a 1 to 25. So I have 4 gallons, I have 1 gallon of gas, which is 128 ounces, and I have 8 ounces of oil. And I'm gonna put 5 ounces in there and mix it in. Ooh. Okay, so I kind of did it by eye. Let's hope I did it correctly. Mix it well, put it in the car, start it, and if it works, then we'll go find a park. Ugh, how am I supposed to close it?
With the cap.
Alright. Ugh. Beautiful. There we go. Damn! Alright, so it works. My throttle switch was reversed, so I'm glad I had it in a can. Over here, dude.
Yeah, there's the dam.
That is so cool. Imagine that dam breaking, all the water going down to Hollywood.
Well, if there's any city that needs a bath, it'd be Hollywood. That's great.
Kill a dog.
Yeah, try to avoid the dogs. Wow, that dog is really trying to go for it.
So guys, it's gonna be it for my first video. This car is wonderful. It's really loud, it's really messy, a little bit too messy for me, so we're gonna turn it into electric, and that should be really fun. And well, stay tuned. I'm gonna do planes, I'm gonna do boats, keep learning how to fly, find some clubs in LA, and see you around next time.